Welcome to the installation guide for PivyCord-Vez, your cable management solution for variable height sit-stand desks and tables. Installation. Step 1. Raise your desk to the maximum height. Choose an install location. The left desk leg on the back or front side. The right desk leg on the back or front side. Ensure that the location you choose has a minimum of 7 to 10 inches front to back distance from the corner of the desk leg and foot to the edge of the desktop. Step 2. Determine if your desk foot is ferromagnetic. In other words, is a magnet attracted to the desk foot. Lay a piece of plastic or scrap paper over the desk foot to protect it from scratching. Place a magnet, such as one of the Pivy chain end brackets, over the desk foot. If the magnet is attracted, your desk foot is ferromagnetic. If your desk foot is ferromagnetic, clean and dry the surface. Apply the clear scratch protector sticker F as shown. If your desk foot is non-ferromagnetic, clean and dry the surface. Apply the lower striker plate G with the adhesive tape as shown. Apply pressure for 30 seconds. Step 3. Place a mark on the underside of the desk, directly in line with the lower anchor location from Step 2, approximately 10 inches away. It can be a minimum of 7 inches up to 12 inches if needed. Ensure that the location has a minimum 3-inch by 3-inch flat surface. If your desk has a ferromagnetic surface at this location, such as part of the desk frame or crossmember, with a minimum 1.5-inch width, you can use this as a striker plate, so no upper striker plate H will be required. Move to the next step. If your desktop material is wood or composite, attach the upper striker plate H with 4 screws E at the marked location on the underside surface of the desk or table. Ensure that the screws are shorter than the thickness of the desk. If your desktop material is glass, granite, or non-ferromagnetic metal, fasten the provided double-sided tape square to the back of the upper striker plate H. Attach the upper striker plate using the double-sided tape to a clean, dry surface at the marked location on the underside of the desk. Apply firm pressure for 30 seconds. If your desktop material is ferromagnetic metal, no upper striker plate is required. Move to the next step. Step 4. Make sure that all latches of the PivyCord chain are open. To open a latch, insert the tip of a small flathead screwdriver into the slot underneath the latch on the side with the open icon. Push downward on the handle to pop the latch open. Step 5. Grab the upper magnet bracket of the PivyCord chain, which is marked this side up. Position it with the latch side facing the desk leg and snap it in place on the upper striker plate. Identify the side of the PivyCord chain with the pass-through slot, as shown in the diagram. Gather any existing cables at the bottom, pulling the cable bundle to that side of the desk foot, as shown. Snap the lower magnet bracket in place on the desk foot. Step 6. Route all cables from the desktop and underside of the desk to a single bundle at the top of the PivyCord chain, as shown. Step 7. Swing open all of the latches on the PivyCord chain and push all cables into the raceway opening, pulling any slack downward. Working from the top to bottom, close all cable latches. To close a chain latch, press firmly on the center of the latch as shown. If the latches are difficult to close due to resistance from the cables, the chain is packed too tightly. To fix this, rearrange the cables in the raceway to minimize crisscrossing. If that doesn't resolve the issue, reduce the number of cables in the raceway. As you approach the latches just above the transition link, push the cables into the pass-through slot on the side and continue downward to the bottom of the chain. Step 8. Secure your cables at the bottom of the PivyCord chain, at the desk foot, and on the floor. Move the desk down and up to test over the full range of motion to ensure that the mechanism and all of your desk components move smoothly without any interference, binding, sagging, or pinching. To add, remove, or move cables, pop open all of the PivyCord chain latches, as shown in Step 4. Release any cable management ties as needed. Add, remove, or move cables as desired, then repeat steps 6 through 8. Thanks again for purchasing our product. We're confident you'll enjoy your new PivyCord product for many years to come. And don't forget to visit the Quality Clever product pages for many other great cable management and workspace Zen products, such as cable trays, cable sleeves, on-wall cable covers, mounted cable ties, anti-fatigue standing desk mats, and super magnet hook mounts.